Hello, everyone. All right, if you you can see how tired I am. Challenge hota hai, you know. So if you're watching it live, please comment hashtag live. If you will be watching it as a replay, you can comment hashtag replay. मेरा काम है online आके सेशन देना या आपको वैल्यू प्रोवाइड करना या आपको आपकी हेल्प करना आप इसको आज देखें कल देखें परसों देखें दैट इज ऑन यू ठीक है और चूंकि मैंने चैलेंज कबूल किया है 100 का तो मुझे तो भाई वो 100 का नंबर कंप्लीट करना है बाकी आपकी मर्जी है you know I'm just concerned with my goals at the moment okay go ahead challenge yourself too I want you to know that your competition is not with anybody else आपका मुकाबला सिर्फ आपके साथ है you will only be competing with yourself अगर हम ये सोचेंगे कि भाई हमारा हमारा किसी और के साथ मुकाबला है that's going to be hard that's going to be very difficult अगर आप just look at me for all these live videos if I start to think I'm competing with somebody else it's so disappointing and discouraging because I know they're way ahead of me they're way better than me so I will not be able to you know fulfill my goals yeah achieve my goals if I'm always thinking about you know that I'm competing with somebody else yes it's good to keep like somebody in mind that you want to be like them and you know वो अपने लिए आप गोल रख सकते हैं but you're by all or by no means are you competing with them please if you start to think like that it will be very very discouraging it's daunting so and it आपके रास्ते की रुकावट होगा आपकी growth के रास्ते की रुकावट होगा so you must change this mindset about this you're not competing with anybody you're only competing with yourself every day you will be becoming better and better and every day you will be getting closer and closer to your goal no matter what your goal is मेरा goal तो 100 live challenge 100 live videos है आपका goal कुछ और हो सकता है